my birthday, neighbor. Hey, say a prayer for me in the comment section, okay? And send me your gift. Let me show you my cake. My cake is so cute and small. Look at my cake. Yay, happy birthday, Mfon Akban. I'm celebrating with you. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'm making this video because someone sent me this message about the ALX registration and payment. So that's why I'm making this video. I'm going to show you how to make payments. Make sure to register if you've not. Okay, because I have registered and I did that because of you. Okay, so I can be on this journey with you from start to finish. You know how it goes. You don't know because you were not in the last cohort, but that's how we roll over here. Okay, you're not alone. So once you're done with the registration process, you've answered all the questions, written the essay. By the way, there is an essay to write if you've not registered yet. Okay, so once you're done with all of that, they will send you an email. Click this button, access to eHop. It will ask you to sign in. Yeah, this is what it will look like. So go to my eHop space. Okay, so this is it. If you click continue, it will just take you to your Savannah, which is currently empty. As you can see here, it's empty. Nothing is happening here. Okay, so to make payments, all you need to do is to click on pay now. Make your first payment to get started. The amount is 5 USD. Pay for 1 month only or pay for multiple months. The virtual assistance program is for 2 months, so you have to pay for 2 months. So you can pay for both. You can pay for the 2 months if you want at once. All right, so I'm just going to click on pay for 1 month only. Now you have different options here. You can pay with your card, you can pay with your Visa, your MasterCard, whatever card you want to use, all the available options over there. As you can see here, the currency has changed. You can change your currency here. You can change it to any currency you want or your local currency to automatically change to your local currency. So you can also pay via bank transfer. You can use Google Pay, you can use USSD code, bank transfer. Okay, so once you click on bank transfer, which is what I used, to give you an account number you need to pay into, and this account detail expires in an hour. Okay, all you need to do is just to copy the bank account. The bank name is Wema, Swatu Wema Bank. Once you're done with the transfer, you click on I have made this bank transfer. Okay, so as you can see here, fee payment successful, and this is the receipt. Yep, as you can see here, I have made payments of 8,437 naira 0.55 cents. Click on go back home. So as you can see here, the payment has been updated. So that's it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to say a prayer for me in the comment section. And if you want to send me a gift, use the link. Use the seller link in the comment section and in the description. Money is always good. Thank you so much, okay, in advance for your prayers, and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any problems with registration and payments, or you cannot register or you cannot make payment yourself, send me a direct message on WhatsApp and I will help you register. I will help you make payments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. It's my birthday, I'ma do what I like.